Do you have rear drawers in the back of your ute? In this video, I'm going to show you a slight modification that I made, and it might be able to help you as well. Plus, also, I'm going to throw in a pro tip that some of you may not even care about. So make sure you keep watching for that pro tip that may be useful to you, or you just might not care for at all. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you can see all my other videos that come along. They may be useful to you. Also, hit that little bell notification so that way you get notified when I release a new video. I'm going to be releasing them more frequently, so it'll be good to keep up to date. Let's get into the rear of the tub now. So what I'm doing is just opening up the canopy and dropping it down. So I've got one of the King's Titan drawers. I'm a tradie. I don't really care too much about the quality, but it does what I want it to. So, can you spot the modification that I've already made to it? So, if you can't, what it is this little, it's called a patio bolt, or a patio lock. The reason why I got this for is because when I open it up, if you're on a slight hill, I'm a tradie, so I've got my tools in there. Now let's say I go to grab them out. Oh, what do you know, it closes. So what I'm going to do is open it up. This is a bit hard because I'm one-handed at the moment. And you can see the patio bolt. I just push it down. It locks it into the tailgate. That way when it closes, it won't slam shut on me. Now some of the more expensive drawers may have this, but for this particular drawer, I've only got this. Now, for the pro tip, if some of you have kids, here are two things that I keep in my drawers. This is a pet bed that I got from Kmart. This is perfect for laying across the tailgate if you've got to change your kid's nappy. The other thing I got from Kmart is this lunch bag. What it's good for is not exactly keeping your lunch, but keeping nappies and wipes in. So it's just a small thing that makes it easier to change a kid's nappy in the back of a ute. So all I secured it with was just 2 screws. I just drilled 2 pilot holes, just slightly smaller than the screw, and then just screwed it in. It doesn't need to be a really tight fix because it's just resting against the tailgate. So all I do now is just lift it up. Oh, sorry, pull it out and lift it up. And it will just slide back in and it's locked away. How did you secure yours? Do you have any other methods that you can leave in the comments below? Keep watching for the next video.